Hi guys, hello, 𝙬𝙧𝙚 here. In my recent video called How to Add Sections in PowerPoint, an error graph commented and asked me to record a video about hidden tips and tricks in PowerPoint. So in this video, I will teach you how to embed fonts in your PowerPoint presentation. Alright, so let's get started. As you can see here, this is my presentation. So let's insert any text box. So go into Insert tab, and right here you have text box. So just type anything. Let's say lorem ipsum. All right, and as you can see, this first text is Montserrat font, right? All right, so let's copy this text box and paste it. And I think to the second text box we can change font to, let's say maybe I think 𝙬𝙬𝙬. All right, let's create the second copy, and I think right now this will be Poppins. All right, and the last text box, I think we will take font called let's say maybe 𝙬𝙬𝙬𝙬𝙬𝙬 900. Alright, so as you can see right now in my presentation, there are four fonts: Montserrat, 𝙬𝙬𝙬𝙬, Poppins, and 𝙬𝙬𝙬𝙬𝙬 900. And yeah, they will not display properly to your computer because this is probable that you do not have these fonts installed. If you would like to check if you have those fonts installed, and if you are using Windows, then you have to go right here, this PC, Windows C. Here you have folder called Windows, so go inside. And right here you have folder called Fonts. So enter this folder. And as you can see right here, you have all the fonts that are installed in your computer. So if you would like to check what fonts do you have installed, and if you are using Windows 10, that's a good way to do so. Alright, so like I said you before, if you would send this presentation to your colleague, and let's say this colleague doesn't have those fonts, I think all of those text boxes will appear as 𝙬𝙬𝙬, because 𝙬𝙬𝙬 is kind of default font for Windows apps. So yeah, and as you can see, the difference in design is quite important, right? So how to embed fonts in PowerPoint? You have to go right here, File. Right now go to the Options, and here you have Save. So enter here. And right here you have something called Embed Fonts in the file. So the first option is to embed only the characters used in presentation, and this is best for reducing file size. And there is also the second option, embed all characters, best for editing by other people. And I noticed that the second option is much better because a lot of time when I decided to choose the first option, there were some problems. The fonts weren't embedded, etc., etc. So I really recommend you to use the second option. So embed all characters, and this is very, I think it's a great feature because just default fonts that are available in PowerPoint or Word, they are just, let's say, ugly, and this is crucial to install your own fonts, for instance from Google Fonts, because for instance, as you can see right here, Montserrat font or Poppins font, they are just beautiful. Yeah, and these fonts can really leverage your PowerPoint presentation. So like I said you before, embedding font is really a great feature. I use it, I think, all the times, and I think you really liked this video. So guys, please subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, and then you will not omit any of our valuable videos. Post a comment if you would like me to record video about something. And of course, if you liked this tutorial, give us likes below. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.